What's going on, guys? It's Ed here from JM Honda Miami, and this is a 2022 Honda Grom. I'm gonna teach you how to ride in under 2 minutes. Are you ready? All right, guys, when you get on your motorcycle, this is your right side, this is your rear brake. Up here on the front, you have your front brakes. On your left side, you have your gears. Down is first gear, the rest are up. Up here on the front left, you have your clutch. There is a friction zone. I'm gonna show you about that now. All right, guys, first thing you wanna do, start your key, make sure this light is green. That is a neutral. You can see right there, it's a little N. If the bike is in first gear, that light won't be on. So you wanna make sure the bike has an N or a neutral light on. Kill switch down, and you just wanna start her up. Once you start the bike, your clutch, you have a friction zone. You can test this out by putting the bike in first gear. I'm gonna hold the clutch, first gear. Check it out. So when you let go of the clutch, you don't even have to accelerate. Honda has a smart clutch. You don't even accelerate. You just let go of the clutch and you are riding. All right, we're gonna do that again. All right, so your motorcycle is on. You kill switch, you gave it some electricity, it's on. Now you have your clutch and you have your gear. Remember, you're gonna hold your clutch, you're gonna put first gear, you're gonna pay attention to your RPMs or your engine sound. You're gonna slowly let go, and while she's kind of moving, you just give her a little bit of gas, a little or a little above 2,000 RPMs, and you are riding. And it's that simple.